Mackerel is the unsung hero of the sea, packed with omega-3s and enough flavor to stand up to some serious spice. This recipe balances the richness of the fish with a zingy tomato-based sauce and a vibrant, dairy-free mash. The ingredients component. What you'll need: the fish 8 mackerel fillets, pin-boned, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Spicy sauce 1 onion, finely diced, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 red chili, finely chopped, 1 tbsp ginger, grated, 1 tsp cumin, 1 tsp smoked paprika, 400 ground canned chopped tomatoes, 1 tbsp tomato paste, coriander mash, 1 kilo Maris Piper or Yukon Gold potatoes, 3 tbsp extra virgin olive oil, 1 large bunch of fresh coriander, chopped, juice of 1-2 lime. 1. The coriander mash boil. Peel and chop the potatoes into chunks. Boil in salted water for 12-15 minutes until tender. Mash, drain well. Instead of butter and milk, add the olive oil and a splash of the potato cooking water. Mash until smooth. Flavor: fold in the fresh coriander and lime juice. Season generously with salt. The lime and oil keep it light and bright compared to heavy dairy mashes. 2. The spicy sauce. Sauté. Heat a glug of oil in a pan. Sauté the onion, garlic, ginger, and chili until softened, about 5 minutes. Spice. Stir in the cumin and smoked paprika for 1 minute until fragrant. Simmer. Add the tomato paste and chopped tomatoes. Let it simmer on low heat for 10-12 minutes until thickened. If it gets too thick, add a splash of water. 3. The mackerel prep. Pat the mackerel skin dry with a paper towel. This is the secret to crispy skin. Season with salt and pepper. Sear. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-high heat with a drizzle of oil. Place the fillets skin side down. Cook. Press them down gently with a spatula so they don't curl. Cook for 2 or 3 minutes until the skin is crispy. Then flip and cook for just 1 minute on the other side. Pro tip: mackerel cooks incredibly fast. If you overdo it, it can get fishy and dry. Aim for the flesh to be just opaque and flaking easily. How to serve: spoon a generous mound of the coriander mash onto each plate. Top with 2 mackerel fillets and pour the spicy tomato sauce over the half of the fish. Keep that skin visible so it stays crunchy. Garnish with extra coriander leaves and a lime wedge. Settings: